In this film, we will show you the replacement of Mercedes-Benz W221 rear air suspension. The film only shows the steps of unilateral replacement. In practice, the air suspension should be replaced in pairs. Prepare the air suspension and removal tools before removal. Then remove the tire. Raise the vehicle. Remove the lower support arm guard. Remove the anti-roll bar. Remove the lower support arm. Disconnect the solenoid valve wire. Remove the mud flap. Then remove the top bracket screws located behind the seat. Pay attention to fix the air suspension to prevent falling. The air suspension can be removed. Compare the old and new air suspension for consistency. Install the new suspension back into the vehicle. Screw with top bracket. Replace the fixing bolts connecting the lower support arm of the air suspension. Pay attention to the manufacturer's provisions on torque during installation. Replace the anti-roll bar. Then replace the lower support arm guard. Install the solenoid valve wire back into the corresponding bracket. Replace the mudguard. Then replace the tire. Finally, tighten the screws of the top bracket. Replace the top trim panel. The installation is complete. After installation, in principle, four-wheel alignment shall be carried out once.